Dang it. Fail. Good morning. It's not even morning anymore. It's afternoon. It is December 6th, the 6th day of Vlogmas, and I'm here with my mommy.
Of what?
Vlogmas.
What's that?
Oh, you're crazy.
I don't know what that is.
Well, you will now. Anyway, we went to church. I went to my dad's ward for sacrament meeting, and then we went to church, and I can feel your eyelashes on me.
Butterfly kisses.
Wait, how do you do it? But, yeah.
Okay, ready. First you go to here and then to there.
Keep going.
And then to there, and then to there. First you go to here and then to there to play the song on the piano.
You're the fresh dad of Bel Air.
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
No, the fresh dad. You're the fresh dad of Saratoga Springs. That's right. That's right.
Are you still recording me?
Yeah.
And, ready?
Yeah.
Frodo and the 9 fingers and the ring of doom. Why does he have 9 fingers? Where is the ring of doom?
I just heard my dad say, "Hey buddy, what do you want?" And I thought he was talking to me, so I looked over and then I realized he was talking to this. Pippin. Stealing my spot. Ben, what are you doing?
Scraping off
And like
the
this. And then these, yeah,
so
to the
that it's
sides.
flat.
Is that right?
We're making gingerbread
Oh,
house.
look
Yeah.
at the top thing.
Yeah, that's the roof.
We are holiday people.
Is it like slanted?
Uh-huh.
What's your favorite part of Christmas, Ben?
Getting presents.
I thought it was this tradition. So disappointed.
Brandon, what's your favorite part of Christmas?
Giving people presents.
Good answer. My favorite part of Christmas is...
Your mom?
Yeah. My favorite part of Christmas is Christmas music, or going ice skating, or going to Arizona, except we've only done that one time before, but we're going again this year and I'm so excited!
What?
Yay!
So what are we doing here, Heather?
We're making gingerbread houses.
Gingerbread, magical gingerbread
Oh,
houses.
you should have done the
We are
box.
making gingerbread houses with magic gingerbread and magic glue
Yep.
and the magic jelly
Is
beans.
everything better in Germany?
And everything's better in Germany.
Oh.
Magic beans
Ooh.
for Christmas.
Christmas.
Okay,
Mine's the
over.
smallest.
I know.
Phase 1 is complete.
Did I
Well,
use
or
this
phase 2.
It's not
This is
ready.
what happens when you get too crazy with the
Whoa, yours is
decorations
awesome.
and your whole
I had to
house
bite.
falls apart. Well, look at that decoration we
I'm supposed
got.
to eat some.
Those bricks on the roof, so good. Until the whole thing falls apart.
I can't tell how far up it needs to be,
Yep,
babe.
that's so sad. Oh, yep, there goes half of the roof. So,
So this is the town that the earthquake hit, and it's the Christmas earthquake town aftermath.
yeah.
And we're just happy that the town still kind of is here.
We're just happy to be alive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, man.
But don't you worry.
Poor townspeople.
This is actually my favorite song played on the piano.
I
This-
know. Made Haley learn it.
Haley, play this song.
First you go to here and then to there. Update on the earthquake town. The second half of the roof is now gone, and
Just from the outside rocks.
the population has gone down by 200.
It's just heavy.
Heavy.
Frosting hadn't
This is
dried
what
yet.
happens
Heavy metal.
when you mess with earthquakes. Let's get
Don't
a
mess with
closer look.
earthquakes.
Ooh, that looks real.
Brandon's got a ton on his.
It's like that thing. It's like
His almost fell.
the that bear that's like talking about forest fires, but
Oh, yeah.
instead of forest fires, it's like only you can prevent.
Don't mess with earthquakes.
Only you can prevent Christmas gingerbread house earthquakes. Well, we kind of decided to give up. This was our finished product, and that didn't work too well. We are going to take Michael his answer right now.
Woo! What's his last name? She's saying yes!
Johnson.
All
said
right.
yes.
2 little boys delivering cookies.
There they go.
Go, 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 go!
Go without Brandon.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, these are my dad's candies.
Those are your dad's candy.
And look, has a little spoon.
That's a little spoon. Video, and you tell everybody goodbye, okay?
Goodbye.
Say I love you.
I love you.
This is the end of day 6.
Hope you have a
Yay! Get out of my face! Get out of your mom!
hope you have a wonderful night.